Class, welcome to week 3. We are jumping into business models this week, and we'll talk about some common online business models. The first assignment is brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, and then the second is affiliate and drop shipping. The hope is this will help you in project 1 as you consider what you'll do for your business. You can take some of these same models and apply it to what you're doing. We will also learn a key skill that you will use over the next few weeks of the course called the Quantify and Compare Spreadsheet. So let's jump into the first assignment. For this assignment, you're going to jump right back into your case studies that you've been working on and reason through a new case that will walk through these different different roles. And just briefly, I will explain. You may be familiar with these terms, brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, but if not, just briefly, a manufacturer is someone who creates a product. The wholesaler is someone who purchases those products in bulk and will sell the product. Excuse me, will sell the product. In the past, a wholesaler would sell it to a retailer, and then as a customer, you would go to the store, you'd go to Target, they're a retailer, and you would purchase from Target. They would purchase it from the wholesaler. Online, wholesalers will often sell directly to the consumer, which is why a lot of things are available for less money online, as you're buying directly from a wholesaler. A broker is someone who is facilitating the deals between manufacturers and wholesalers. They're kind of a dot connector. They're connecting those two groups, or a wholesaler to their consumers. So those are the different roles that you may play with your company online. A lot of people think of online business in terms of manufacturing. You make a product and you sell it. But particularly when we look at affiliate and drop shipping models, you'll notice how the brokers come into play, or you could even become a wholesaler. But the case will walk you through some consideration on that. A couple things to note on this: when you create your response and write your response in this essay, it needs to be at least 1 page in length. That is unique. Not all the essays are that length. The other thing I want to draw your eye to is what I mentioned before, is this quantify and compare spreadsheet. It's something we'll use a few different times throughout the course. And so if you click on this, how to quantify and compare, we'll open up this page here. And I won't read this to you. You can read through the basics of how to quantify and compare and watch the video here, and as well as the assignment instructions has that video. But I do want to point out this example and just explain why this is such a powerful tool. When you're looking at this is a weighted decision matrix. We call it how to quantify and compare, but the technical term is a weighted decision matrix. And what you have are your different options. Here, someone is considering different restaurants to open. They've got barbecue, a salad restaurant, or a burger restaurant. And then they say, well, the criterion I want to consider is taste, promptness, how quickly I can get the food out, and then the cost, how much I'm going to pay for each meal. And then they rank each of them. They're going to say, well, the barbecue tastes fantastic, but boy, that takes a while to cook. But it is less, or it is a little bit more expensive, so I'm going to give that a lower score on price. Whereas you get a burger, it's not going to taste quite as good, but boy, you can get that fast, and it's going to be cheap. So that gets a high score on price. Then what really makes this powerful is not just these rankings down here, but you say up here, I think my customers care a little bit about taste, right? 25%, a little bit about promptness, but they care a lot about the price that they're paying. And so you can weight these different alternatives, these different criterion. And then the video will show you how to do the math to create a weighted total that takes into account both the weights and the scores, and that gives you a total score. And you can see that for this example, the burger restaurant came out to be tops. And this is a really powerful tool because you'll have a lot of decisions like this. and we'll use this tool to simulate some of those decisions. But in business, in your careers, you will have a lot of decisions like this that the decisions you'll need to make are challenging, and you really want to apply your best thinking towards them, and that's what that quantify and compare spreadsheet will do. So we'll work on that a lot throughout the semester. But that is your brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers assignment. And then you'll have a discussion board based on that. The next one, we'll jump into some common business models, affiliate and drop shipping. And in these circumstances, you would be the broker. And I will explain just briefly what affiliate marketing is and what drop shipping is and the differences between them. They're very common business models. And for this assignment, you will again take up the case study, look at different alternatives, and create a quantify and compare spreadsheet based on those. But as I mentioned, I do want to explain affiliate and drop shipping. An affiliate company, if you want to start an affiliate marketing website, you will reach out to somebody who already sells a product. And you'll say, hey, I'd like to affiliate with you. And so you create your own website, your own company. But if this company agrees to form the affiliate agreement, they will send you a specific code or link that you'll put on your website. And you'll advertise their products. And when someone clicks that link, the customer will jump over to their website, to that product, to the other company, and they'll finish their purchase there. And in your affiliate agreement, it'll say something like you get 3% of the sale of that product, or 10%, or whatever it is you agree on. And that code, the link that they sent you, will track whether or not that customer came from your website. The advantages to affiliate marketing is it's really hands-off. All you're doing is driving traffic to your website. From there, you don't make a product, you don't ship the product, you don't deal with the customer service side of it. All you're doing is finding ways to drive traffic to your website, and then this other company will take care of the rest. The downside is it's not, you've got to drive a lot of traffic and perhaps have a lot of products to earn a profit off of this, because you're just getting, the sales commission. Drop shipping is very similar. You will again form your own website, your own business. You'll have a drop shipping agreement with another company. The difference is when they click on the product, they stay on your website and they purchase the product from your website. And then on the back end, there's a message sent to the company who makes the product, and they ship it. The advantage to drop shipping is you can typically set the prices how you want. So you have a little bit more price control. You can earn a little bit more if you feel like the product is worth it. And the downside is the customer in a drop shipping agreement, the customer only interacts with you, and so they assume you are the company. And so if there's shipping problems, if there's customer service problems, they're going to reach out to you, and you need to resolve those in a satisfactory manner. So it's a little bit more work to do drop shipping with a little bit higher profit potential. That's the difference between affiliate and drop shipping. There's a lot of info here that I recommend you read. The most common affiliate agreement is with Amazon, and so if you're looking for a simple website for this course, you'd pick something that you are interested or passionate about, some products that are sold on Amazon, form an affiliate agreement with Amazon, and then start selling those Amazon products on your site. I do recommend one of those for simplicity's sake. When I had my own web design business, I experienced both complex and simple websites. And when you're starting out, the simpler the website, the better. If you have a complex website in mind and a lot of things you want to do, that's great. I would not put that aside. I would just build up to it over time. As I learned, it can take time to add some really neat features to the site, and you're going to be going through a lot of business creation steps in this course. And so anything you can do to simplify your business model, I think, is a positive as you start out in this. And then Once the course is done, if you want to continue your website and experiment with new features, that's great. In our next week's assignment, we'll talk about the minimum qualifications for your website. There are some things you have to have on there, but you can keep it fairly simple, and affiliate marketing really allows you to do that. And drop shipping can as well. That'll be it, and then you'll have your reflection at the end of the week. Just a reminder, that is a free blog. You don't need to purchase a blog for that. You can just set up a free blog and then submit your URL and copy and paste your weekly reflection post in there. So that's it for week 3. Please reach out if there are any questions about this, if I can go into more details about the business models, or if there's questions I can clarify. I'd be happy to talk through that. Thanks, everyone.